Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gajin Pratap Singh, faculty of BGMC department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture, Brand Image. Brand image is the current view of the customer about a brand. It can be defined as a unique bundle of association with the mind of target customer. It signifies what the brand personality stands for. It is a set of belief help about a specific brand. In short, it is nothing but the consumer perception about a product. It is the manners is which a specific brand of protection in a market. Brand image convey emotional value and not just a mental image. Brand image is nothing but a organization character. It is a annualization of a contact and observation by people, external and organization. It should highlight an organization mission and values to all. The main element of positive brand image are unique logo, reflective organization image, slogan describing organization, business is belief and brand identifier supporting the key of value. Brand image, the overall impression, the consumer mind, what is famous from all sources. Consumer develop various association with the brand based on these association they from brand image, and image is formed about the brand on the basis of subjective perceptions and association bundle that the consumer have about the brand. Volvo associated with the safety, Toyota is associated with reliability. The idea behind brand image is that the consumer is not purchasing just the product, service, but also the image association with the product, service. Brand image should be positive, unique, instant. Brand image can be standard, unique, using brand communication like advertisement, packaging, word of mouth publicity, other promotional tools etc. Brand image development and conveying the product character in a unique manner different from its competitor image. The brand is concept of various association in consumer mind, attribute, benefits and attributes. Brand attributes are the functional and mental connection with the brand that the consumer have. They can be specific or conceptual. Benefits are the rational and of the purchase decision. There are three types of benefits. First of functional benefit, what do you do better than other? Emotional benefit, how do you make me feel better than other? And third, relation benefit, suppose why do I believe you more than other? Brand attribute are consumer or over assignment of a brand. Brand image has not to be created but it's automatically formed. The brand image included product appeal as is a using functional frame and overall values. Brand image is actual brand contact. When the consumer purchases the product, they are also purchasing its image. Brand image is the objective and mental feedback of the consumer when they purchase a product. Positive brand image it exceeds the consumer expectation. Positive brand image enhance the goodwill and brand values of the organization. Advantage of building a strong brand image. The perception of consumer toward a particular brand is the direct relation to the image of brand. The positive brand image can make a decision process earlier, thereby promoting lot of repeat purchase as well as primary purchase. A positive image gives confidence to the consumer as the feel that the brand is sense and clear. It is a vision to create the best. It's possible to build brand image with strong advertisement, because with companies are promoting their product through various famous personality enhance there is image of brand. Problem of good brand. Let's the count of the disadvantages first before getting into the good about brand image. If the organization is unusual, the defect of satisfactory brand image, the consequence can be felt quickly. The product is principally dependent on the brand image, and unfavorable or negative image result in the disagree of the company, and later of beginning the same brand become difficult. The main disadvantages of a brand image that the brand and its product will always is identified with the image until further changing in the brand image are impiled. If in any circumstances the image is compressed, then sell and review will also be harmed, and therefore it is necessary to gather a right team what will create and regular maintain the brand image of a product. So I hope you understand the topic of brand image. Thank you very much.